Hello everyone, how are you all? Hope you are all good. Hope you are learning this language in an interesting way, and I am also learning this language. I have an interesting topic related to English, and I am very excited to start this video. So, without wasting your precious time, let's come on the main topic of the video. In today's video, I would like to share with you how you can learn this language without any partner, without joining any coaching institute. So, is it possible? How is it possible? So I would say yes, it is possible. If you want, if you have decided to learn this language, so you can learn this language. As you know about me, I am a new learner and I'm from Hindi medium. I have been learning this language for 3 months. So if I can learn this language, so why not you? Of course you can learn this language. So how is it possible? How you can learn this language? So you need to change your perception, you need to change your thinking, as well as you need to change your habit. Whatever you are watching in Hindi, whatever you watch in Hindi, from today you have to start watching in English. Okay? Whatever you are watching in Hindi, like video, cartoons, serials, if you are movie lover, so you will watch movie. So whatever you are watching, from today you have to start watching English. Okay, you have to shift into English all with you. I know friends, in your initial day, if you are a beginner, so you will have to face many problems. Hmm? Sometimes you don't understand anything. So if you are not getting anything, any point, so what do you have to do? Firstly, you have to write down the specific point, and after watching the video, after listening the video, just go on Google and search it, and then you have to try to sentences with them. If you are practicing in this way, so definitely you will be improving yourself, I guarantee friends. As you know about me, I'm from Hindi medium, and really my English was weak. Within a 3 month, I at least I am able to speak in English. I know very well this thing. I am unable to speak with fluency, and while speaking I make lot of mistake. But I know this thing कि mistakes are our friend, mistakes are our teacher. Mistakes are not bad, mistakes are good, because we will learn something from each and every mistake. So mistakes are not bad. If you are making mistake, so no need to worry about this thing. If you are making mistakes, so you are on the right path. I hope whatever I am saying you would be getting. And friends, making mistake is a part of language learning. So no need to worry about making mistake. And think friends, until we speak, we will not learn English. So you should focus on practicing instead of learning more and more. Instead of learning more and more English, you should focus on practicing. Friends, if we want to learn this language, if we want to speak, so we will have to speak. Without speaking, we can never learn this language. So we will have to speak more and more. Until we speak, we will not learn this language. And no matter friends, how many mistakes are you speaking? And friends, you need to be decide your schedule, your timetable to study. If you don't have any timetable, so firstly you have to decide how much time to give for listening, reading, writing, speaking, as well as practicing. So it's up to you, but you should focus on practicing. And whatever you are watching, and whatever you do in whole day, you have to just describe to yourself, and you need to be talkative to yourself. Yes, you need to be talkative. So friends, have you ever thought this thing? How did we learn a Hindi language? By listening and then speaking. Similarly, English is also a language. So, firstly, you have to listen and watch carefully any video, any English related video. And after watching, after listening, you have to try to speak in your own word. And important thing is that you have to record yourself. And after recording your video, you have to watch carefully, listen carefully. If you make mistake, so you try to correct them. If you are practicing in this way, so definitely one day you will speak confidently. I remember friends, when I I remember when I started learning this language. That time, I failed many times. I make a lot of mistake, but I never give up. Really, I never gave up. I tried many times, and I'm improving day by day. So I'm very happy. So friends, what do you have to learn this language? Firstly, you have to become active listener. Yes, you have to become active listener. And second, whatever you are watching in Hindi, from today you have to start watching into English. And third, you have to practice more and more. Without practicing, we never speak English. You need to keep in your mind this thing. I hope this video would be helpful to all. So we will meet next video. Till then, bye bye. Keep practicing, keep learning.